Hello, my name is Tom O'Brien with Samaritan's Purse, and we're in Jefferson City, Missouri, where an EF3 tornado has made a direct hit on this community. The damage is miles long, and as you can imagine, the emotional toll can be staggering. Roofs have been ripped off, personal belongings spread throughout the streets, and people's lives have been rocked. We're here giving aid, both spiritually and emotionally. And we here at Samaritan's Purse are coming out to see what we can do to care for them. Please join us and pray for the people of Jefferson City, Missouri. Thank you.